Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm excited to share creative home decor and space-saving ideas with you. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tips and tutorials to transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. Stay tuned and happy decorating. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden. First up are foldable wall beds, also known as Murphy beds. These versatile pieces fold up into the wall when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. They're ideal for multi-purpose rooms, allowing you to switch from a bedroom to a living area in seconds. With modern designs and comfortable mattresses, Murphy beds combine convenience with style seamlessly. Next, consider multifunctional furniture like sofa beds or storage ottomans. These pieces serve dual purposes, providing seating during the day and a bed or storage at night. They're perfect for small spaces where every piece needs to work harder. Choose sleek designs that match your decor, and you'll find your space becomes more organized and versatile. Wall-mounted desks are another excellent solution. These desks can fold down when needed and fold up flat against the wall when not in use. They're perfect for creating a workspace in a corner or transforming a living room into a home office. Combine them with floating shelves for extra storage without cluttering your space. Floating shelves are a game-changer for small homes. They provide storage or display space without taking up valuable floor area. Use them in the kitchen for utensils, in the living room for books, or in the bedroom for accessories. Their sleek design keeps your space open and airy while adding functionality. Under-stair storage solutions make excellent use of otherwise wasted space. Custom cabinets or drawers can be installed beneath stairs, providing hidden storage for shoes, clothes, or household essentials. This smart use of space helps keep your home tidy and maximizes every corner. Corner furniture is another clever idea. Corner sofas, desks, or shelves utilize awkward angles efficiently, leaving more open space in the center of rooms. These pieces can be customized to fit your specific needs, creating a cozy and functional environment without cluttering the room. Lift-top coffee tables and beds are innovative space-saving furniture options. These pieces lift or open up to reveal hidden storage compartments inside. Perfect for small apartments. They help keep your belongings organized and out of sight, all while maintaining a stylish look. Stackable and modular furniture offers flexibility. Chairs, tables, or storage units that can be stacked or rearranged adapt to your changing needs. This way, you can create more space when needed or expand your furniture setup for gatherings or guests. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the tips and ideas shared today. Please subscribe to stay updated with our latest decor inspirations and creative home solutions. Your support means a lot. Stay inspired and happy decorating.